All right, everyone, great to have you with us. If you're an investor, well, you absolutely know what we're diving into today. It's NVIDIA's truly historic stock performance. We're going to dig into the sources you've shared, really unpack the facts behind this incredible climb.
Exactly. And our focus here for this deep dive is purely on those key nuggets of knowledge. We're looking at that convergence of factors pushing NVIDIA to, well, frankly, a record-breaking valuation. For you listening, it's about understanding the what and the why from, an informed investor perspective.
Okay, so let's kick things off with the core engine here. It's undeniably the relentless demand for AI chips. But what makes this demand so powerful right now? Why is it fueling this massive generative AI boom in particular?
Well, it's fascinating because it's not just general demand. It's almost a bottleneck demand for NVIDIA's GPUs specifically. The sources really highlight how their architecture has become, well, essential for scaling these huge generative AI models.
Right, indispensable.
Precisely. That gives them immense pricing power. You've got the big players, OpenAI, Microsoft, Meta, Amazon, all scaling up their AI workloads.
Driving this huge need.
An insatiable need, really. And then looking ahead, you have the buzz around NVIDIA's Blackwell AI platform, especially those upcoming Ultra versions. That's really boosting investor optimism.
Okay, so that's the foundational demand. Massive. But you need the financial muscle to capitalize, right?
Yeah.
What do the sources say about NVIDIA's financial health?
Yeah, beyond just the market wanting the chips, NVIDIA's financials are pretty robust. That Q1 revenue, $44 billion, beat estimates and showed real resilience even with those earlier export challenges we saw. And what's also compelling are the strategic wins, those exclusive sovereign AI deals like with Saudi Arabia's Humane Project and the UAE.
Ah, the global reach.
Exactly. These partnerships really underline their dominance and sort of their future path.
And it wasn't just the market and the money. Policy shifts, according to our sources, played a surprisingly big part, too. Can you unpack that a bit?
Oh, absolutely. Policy really changed the game here. Remember those Biden-era AI diffusion controls? Well, their removal in May, which had restricted certain advanced AI chip exports that reopened key overseas markets.
Ah, okay. So that directly impacted sentiment.
Dramatically, which leads into the rebound story.
Right, that April slump. It was pretty sharp, triggered by those China export concerns. How did the stock recover so fast? We're talking nearly $1.4 trillion in market cap recouped.
That 45% rebound, it just shows how quickly sentiment can flip when a major obstacle, like those export limits, gets removed. It points to, incredible agility and deep investor confidence in NVIDIA's core business once those barriers lifted.
And that confidence pushed the market cap to around, what, $3.7 to $3.8 trillion?
Yeah, surpassing even Microsoft and Apple at the time. Just extraordinary.
And the analysts seem to agree. Their projections are incredibly bullish. What are they forecasting?
Astonishing is the word, really. You have Barclays setting a $200 target, Loop Capital raising theirs to $250. Some projections are even floating future values near, like $4.9 to $6 trillion. It's hard to even fathom.
Wow. Are there technical signals backing that up?
There are. The charts, they show some strong technical signs. There's a breakout from a bullish rising wedge pattern, suggesting upward momentum. And there's potential for a golden cross. That's where a short-term moving average crosses above a long-term one, often seen as confirming an uptrend.
Right, so the charts look positive too. And this all feeds into a broader market psychology, doesn't it?
It absolutely does. You know that there's this huge investor appetite right now for high-growth stocks, especially the Magnificent Seven. And companies leading the AI charge like NVIDIA are just magnets for that capital. That's a powerful mix. Innovation, financials, policy, and sheer market momentum.
So putting it all together, NVIDIA's historic high seems to be this perfect convergence. You've got the AI chip leadership, strong financials, helpful policy shifts, those big global deals, and then this powerful technical and analyst momentum behind it.
Exactly. It's a confluence of factors. And maybe a final thought for you to consider. As AI keeps expanding, moving beyond just data centers into, say, sovereign AI infrastructure, how might the market continue rewarding NVIDIA's dominant position? And, how could that reshape not just future investment opportunities, but the whole tech landscape itself, something to mull over?